it's Wilman into the Colorado zone. Quick transition, Rantanen with McKinnon. Rantanen tries to get it through. McKinnon scores!
Mikko Rantanen!
Free Avalanche. 2 goals in just over 2 minutes. Well, when you turn it over against this Avalanche team, they can make you pay the price. I mean, it can go from one end to the other quickly. A cross up at the blue line for the New Jersey Devils. And quickly the Avalanche are able to transition and take a look at the entry to see if it's clean. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is.
That's close, but that's onside. That's a good goal.
The initial attempt blocked and then the finish by McKinnon.
Well, the turnover here, Bush, this puck's got to get in deep, right? Watch what happens. Willman tries to make a play.
Runs into his own player.
Right, and then all of a sudden the Avalanche move the puck up and puck ends up in the back of the net about 7.5 seconds later.